Hi, oh yeah, how you guys doing? Are you still looking for a job? Or are you still looking for a means to make money online? Oh yeah, you are welcome to Awake Within, where you find all the solution of money making problem. Yeah, welcome to Awake Within. This is your guy Alfred. Today I'm coming up today with another tutorial video, guys. The tutorial video is based on some simple side hustle that do not require any form of experience. You don't have to pay any money. You don't need any experience. All you need to make money by using this side hustle is just a mobile phone or a laptop. The most important thing, good internet connection, and you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our Work Within and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Today tutorial video is just based on some simple side hustle. This simple side hustle as just for survey. If you don't know what survey is just about answering random questions, maybe about yourself or a place or business. It's very simple, and some of these side hustle have some video that you also watch and make money. It's free of charge, guys. So get down to the tutorial video after my intro. Welcome back again, guys. It's your guy Alfred. Welcome to our way. Make sure you watch this tutorial video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part of it, guys. Don't skip any part of it, because every part of it is very important. So guys, let's get down to the tutorial video.
Okay guys, let's get down to the tutorial video. The first side hustle I'm going to show you guys is called Reward XP. With Reward XP, you play videos, take on surveys and play games and you make money, and it's free of charge. So go on your PC or your laptop or your phone and type Reward XP. You come on this first link that said Reward XP level up and end. You click on it and you come to a page like this. Here you find different type of survey, highly paid survey. If you take on any of this survey, trust me, you're going to make good income. This two link, this Lotto TV and High Weight TV, are meant for videos. If you watch if you watch these videos also, you earn money. So let me show you guys how it works. Here are surveys, all free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't need any experience. Surveys, if you don't know what a survey is just a matter of answering random questions, maybe about yourself or places or some things. So it's very easy. So if you take on any of these surveys, you earn these points, you make money. It's very simple, guys. Very, very simple. Very simple. Here you also play games. You also have games. If you play these games, you also earn points and you make money. It's very easy. If you take on any of these games, you will make good money. It's very, very easy. Anyone can do it. Then here you have video. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Anyone can do it. If you watch these videos, you complete the task. The task is just to watch this video. After you've done watching the video, you come down here. Sorry. Here you redeem. Here Here is your reward. You click on that, you redeem your reward. So it is very easy, guys. Anyone can do it. Reward XP is a legit side hustle that if you take it serious, you will make good income for yourself. Good income. You play games or you take on surveys or you watch videos. It's very easy, guys. Then the second side hustle is called paid viewpoint. Paid viewpoint also is another side hustle for survey. Here you only have to do the survey. So go on your browser and type paid viewpoint. I come on the first link that said paid viewpoint, get paid for your opinion. You click on that, then you come to a page like this one. Here you only have to click on survey. As you can see here, I have a survey. I also work on this side hustle, and the side hustle is genuine. You can also make money with this side hustle. And with this side hustle, if you take on any survey that you're not able to complete, they will still give you points. Without completing a survey, they will still give you points. So this side hustle also is very easy and simple. You only have to answer questions. For example, like this survey, I have one survey available. Let me show you guys how it works. It's very easy, guys. You don't require any form of experience. You don't have to pay any money. It's free of charge. So make sure you take this tutorial video serious, and trust me, you're going to make good money for yourself. Here you see it said, what is your household income? This is how survey is. They'll only ask you random questions. What is your household income? Let me choose any of this, 25 to 50. But you click next. It's very simple. Which of the following best describe the fuel source used to operate your current primary vehicle? It's very easy. Choose either gas, oil, or petrol, or diesel. Choose any of this. It's very simple. Like this, at the end, you make good money. Have you had any prescription file or pharmacies? You come down, you choose any either yes or no. You only click next. This is how a survey is. You don't have to do much. What is your preferred brand of wet razor? You see, the questions are very easy. I choose Gillette. What language do you speak most often at home? English. Which of the following platform service do you have an account with? You choose any of these guys. It is very, very easy. Very, very easy. And you keep going. Which of the following have your research or purchased in the past 6 months? So guys, this is how this paid viewpoint is very easy. And this is how survey is very easy. You just answer questions. You don't have to type. You only have to mark. That is all. Then the third side hustle is Pico Workers. So go on your browser still and type picoworkers.com. Then you come on the first link that said Pico Workers, small gigs for business with jobs. You click on that, you come to it. If you don't have an account here, you also have to sign up. But if you have an account, you will launch it. For me, I've already had an account. I will only launch it to show you guys how it works. It's very easy. Here you have different type of jobs. They also pay well. Here is also very simple, very very simple. You only have to take on some tax. After you complete the tax, they will pay you. We also have surveys. They also have surveys. If you take on any of these surveys, you complete, you will also earn money. It is very easy, guys. It is very very easy. And this side hustle is also genuine. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. Let me show you guys the cash out. Here is the cash out. You cash out. You can cash out when you reach this amount, $25. You cash out. And with this side hustle, if you take it serious, you will make this $25 within a day. You make $25 if you take it serious. You make good money. Either you cash out with your PayPal, or you with a crypto, or you, it's very easy, guys. All these side hustle are genuine. So if you take it serious, you make good money, and they have good points, good payment. As you can see, if you take any of these tax, you make good money out of it. So you see, it's very simple.
Okay guys, you have come to the end of the tutorial video. I know you guys are going to make good use of this opening opportunity. Myself, I'm making money using this simple side hustle, guys. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video, because my next video will also still be tutorial video on some mobile apps. These mobile apps are genuine and free. You don't need any experience to make money using these mobile apps. So my next tutorial video will be on these mobile apps. So keep watching and wait for your entertainment, and stay blessed.